and welcome to the Hardison Cochran podcast. In today's episode, North Carolina personal injury lawyer Ben Cochran answers the question, should I sign anything the other driver's insurance company sends me after an accident that was not my fault? Now, here's Ben Cochran.
If you've been in a motor vehicle collision in North Carolina and it wasn't your fault, it's very likely that the other driver's insurance company is going to give you a call. They may even send you lots of paperwork for you to sign. It's important that you carefully review all documentation that you receive from the insurance company. If you own the vehicle that was involved in the wreck, then you may have two separate claims. If you were injured and your vehicle was damaged, those are going to be two different claims with the insurance company. We call one a property damage claim and the other is a bodily injury claim. You need to make sure that the documentation that you are reviewing is associated appropriately to each potential side of the claim. It is usually appropriate and perfectly okay for an individual to handle the property damage at the very beginning and sign all the appropriate documentation. The bodily injury aspect of the claim, we recommend folks not to sign anything at the beginning. The reason that we say that is because in North Carolina, you have a 3-year statute of limitations. You don't have to rush to settle your bodily injury claim. If you need additional medical treatment, get it. Make sure that you have a proper evaluation following the wreck. The reason that I say that is because if you do sign the paperwork and that paperwork closes your claim for some amount of consideration, you can't come back and open the claim up 6 to 9 months later because that back injury or other injury lingered. You go to the doctor and you find out following an MRI that you need surgery and you've already settled your case. You don't want to do that. Take time to get a proper evaluation. Make sure that your injuries have healed following your motor vehicle collision. And at that point, deal with the insurance company and work to resolve your claim. If you're not able to come to a satisfactory resolution and you think you need to talk to somebody about it, give us a call. We'd be glad to help.
Thank you for listening to the Hardison Cochran podcast. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the firm through their website at lawyernc.com. Once again, that's lawyernc.com. We hope you have a great day. Listening to this podcast does not create an attorney-client relationship between you and Hardison Cochran. Hardison Cochran does not accept new clients until obtaining a signed agreement. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be intended or taken as legal advice. If you have a legal matter, contact a licensed attorney in your state about your specific set of circumstances.